Welcome to School Quiz. My name is Pawan Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video, I am going to discuss class 10th electricity, that is lecture number 1, charge and then electric current. Okay. So what is charge? Charge is a fundamental property of matter like mass of matter. What is your point number 2? There are two types of charges, positive and negative charge, and the same type of charges repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. So what is charge? In class 9th you have read about matters. Okay, what is matter? What is matter? Anything which have some mass and occupy space is called matter. Okay, but this definition is incomplete. What is what you read in class 9th, that anything which have some mass and occupy space is your matter, but this definition is incomplete. What is the complete definition of matter? That anything which have some mass, occupy space and have some charge is your matter. So what is charge? Charge is a property of matter. Okay, charge is a property of matter. And what charge tells means, what is the proper definition of charge? Proper definition of charge is that charge is a property of matter and it tells that whether it is going to attract the same charge or repel the same charge. Okay, so this is all about your charge. What is charge? For example, take a scale of 15 centimeter and tear a small pieces of paper. Now if you rub this scale with your hair and bring that scale close to that paper, then this paper will attract to scale. Okay, now why this small piece of paper attract this scale? This is only possible because of your charge. So what is charge? Charge is your fundamental property of matter and it tells whether it is going to attract the matter or it is going to repel the another matter. Okay, so this is all about your charge. Now what is second point? There are two type of charges, positive charge and negative charge. So what we conclude from this point, that see, in this universe everything, whether it is a small particle, a small atom or a big planet, everything have some mass. In the same way, everything which is either a small unit, that is atom, or a big part, planet, everything have some charge. Suppose this is your small unit, that is atom. Okay, now we know that inside the atom we have two sub particle, that is proton. There is a proton and a neutron, and electrons revolve around the nucleus in other cell. Okay, so what is your proton, what is your electron, and what is your neutron? What is proton? Proton is your positive charge. What is proton? Proton is your positive charge, and electron is your negative charge. Electron is negative in nature. Okay, and what is proton, electron, and what is neutron? This have no charge, means it is neutral. So there are two type of charges, positive charge and negative charge. Negative charge is electron which is revolve around the nucleus, and your proton is positive charge which stay inside the nucleus. Okay, inside the atom. Now what is your third point? Same type of charges repel each other and opposite charges attract each other. What is the meaning of this sentence? That same type of charges, if you bring close the same type of charges, means that if you bring positive charge close to one another, then this charge will your repel, and if you bring negative, then again this charge will your repel. But if you bring opposite charge, means positive and negative charge or negative or positive charge, then these two will attract each other. This is the property of your charge. Okay, now I am going to discuss electric current. What is electric current? What is electric current? Rate of flow of charge is what? Electric current. Okay, what is electric current? Rate of flow of charge. So What is the definition? Rate of flow of charge. So what is charge? Charge is your fundamental property. Okay, charge is your fundamental property. What is flow? Flow means when charge passes. Okay, flow means when charge move. And what is rate here? Rate means time. So what is your electric current? Charge flow per unit time is your electric current. Suppose this is your conductor. Okay, now if q amount of charge start flowing in this conductor in time t, suppose if q amount of charge start flowing in this conductor at time t, then your electric current will produce. What produce? Electric current will produce, and the symbol to represent electric current is your I, and q by I is what? Your ampere. Q by I is your ampere. What is SI unit? This is ampere. SI unit of electric current is your ampere, and the electric current I have a scalar quantity. Electric current is your scalar quantity. Now I am going to discuss two favorite question of your CBSE, that how many number of electrons flow in 1 coulomb charge, means calculate number of electrons flow in 1 coulomb charge. So what is the solution of this question? That what is your Q? We know that Q is equal to Ne or plus minus Ne. What is E here? What is E? E is your smallest independent charge. E is also known as electron, but E is your what here? Smallest. E is also known as the smallest independent charge, and the value of E is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19. What is an here? Number of electron which is asking in question, and we given, and here given that Q is equal to 1, that is what is the amount of charge in 1 coulomb. Calculate number of electrons flow in 1 coulomb charge. So how we calculate? That is 1, this is equal to n into 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19. So n is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19. Then calculate this further, you will get the answer. Now what is your second favorite question of CBSE? Take the screenshot, I am going to rub. What is the second question of what is the second most important or favorite question of CBSE? That what is your 1 ampere current? What is your 1 ampere current, or define 1 ampere current? So what is 1 ampere current? Suppose in a conductor, suppose this is your conductor. Okay, now if 1 coulomb charge, start flowing in 1 second. Now suppose your 1 coulomb charge start flowing in 1 second, then your 1 ampere current will produce. So this is all about your 1 ampere. So this is all about your lecture number 1 of class 10th electricity. For numericals and MCQ, please go through our website, that is schoolquiz.com, and sign up.